fourth day here in Hong Kong. We're gonna having breakfast now before we go to Ocean Park. Tatay Henry, thank you very much. We're in South Side in Hong Kong. Ayan. Thank you for breakfast, Tay. We here at Ocean Park. So, if we got time, we're going to cable car place, ha? So, we're gonna meet up Ate Min. Today is Sunday. It's already like nearly 11 o'clock in the morning. Ayan. Kasama ko si Pat Pat. So, we're gonna wait Ate Min here in Ocean Park entrance. Yeah. Ang init ba? Hintayin na natin ka. Hello guys! We finally met Ate Min here in Hong Kong. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Mabuhay channel at ayan yung white na. Ayan! Si Ate Min finally we met. Dito pa sa Ocean Park in Hong Kong. Today is Sunday. It's our last day as well here in Hong Kong.
15 months.
Oo. If you want to do holiday here in Hong Kong, if you want to see the tourist attraction, yung mga ano nila, you better off spend 1 week dito. 1 week talaga. 4 nights is not enough.
5 nights, okay?
Ayan.
Sobrang init lang ngayon. Magandang mag-tour dito mga...
Yun natin ang shipping. Ito is one wow. Almighty.
Thank you.
Pamalan yan.
Parang dragon eel siya, Ate Min.
Mardalis.
Dragon Pat.
Ay, haba no. Ang haba niya. Ay, tago yung lupa.
Papakiyot talaga siya, no? Oo. Lumalaki yan sila ng ilang meters. Sumisisip. Stingray. Pagi. Oo. Ayan. Mahilig silang sumingit kahit nagtitikam ng picture o video, sisingit sila.
Ganun sila. Siyempre, sanay na ako.
Panto Trisman. On top. Look, 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 look. Oh. Ang ganda pala sa taas. Oh, maganda. Ah. Ate Min, ilabas mo na ang mahiwaga mong tripod. Look at that, the baby panda, look.
어디로 가야 돼? Ah, okay lang, okay. Pwede naman tayo upo muna tayo dito. Oh.
And we hope you enjoy the rest of your day at Ocean Park. 环回水世界完全平定后，游客可解开安全带，离开时请小心台阶。